In my last video, I already mentioned you that there will be a significant shift in universal energy as we transition into period 9 Feng Shui. This will have a huge impact on the health and wealth luck of our house. Now, how should we align with this universal energy shift so that we can invite wealth, abundance and prosperity in our life in period 9? Please stay tuned to know more. Hello friends, welcome back to Infinite Mind Feng Shui. As per time and space Feng Shui, our luck cycle changes significantly every 20 years. This 20-year cycle is known as a period in Feng Shui. Currently, we are in period 8 Feng Shui, which started back in February 2004. This period 8 Feng Shui will come to an end in February 2024, when we will transition into period 9 Feng Shui. This transition from period 8 to period 9 Feng Shui will have a significant impact on the universal energy, and as a consequence, the quality of our life will also be impacted significantly. Therefore, we need to align with this universal energy change to harness the power of universe in period 9. The questions are, where should we start and what should be our action plan before we transition into period 9? The source of Qi inside our house is our surrounding nature, the universe. Qi is not created or generated inside our house. It actually comes from the universe. Therefore, the success of house Feng Shui primarily depends on how effectively we are able to tap this heaven Qi coming from universe and then channel it towards our house so that we can harness its power. If we fail to do so, then whatever Feng Shui technique we apply inside our house, that won't be that effective because there will always be lack of auspicious heaven Qi inside our house. Therefore, the first step for period 9 wealth activation will be apply landform Feng Shui cures external to our house for period 9. You might have heard the term Ba Gua. In Chinese, Ba means 8 and Gua means trigram. Trigram, as the name suggests, it means 3 lines. Each of the 8 directions, east, west, north, south, northeast, northwest, southeast and southwest, is associated with a Gua or a trigram. Interestingly, each of the Feng Shui period is also associated with a Gua or a trigram. Period 8, where we are currently in, is associated with the Gun Gua, which in turn is associated with the northeast direction. Now, what is the interpretation? The interpretation is as follows. The richest heaven Qi in period 8 is coming from the northeast direction and moving towards the southwest direction. Therefore, the prosperity axis in period 8 is northeast southwest axis. How about period 9 then? Period 9 is associated with Li Gua, which in turn is associated with the south direction. Therefore, the richest heaven Qi in period 9 will come from the south direction and that will move towards the north direction. The prosperity axis in period 9 will be south-north axis. Let us now try to understand and apply the principles of landform Feng Shui. As per landform Feng Shui, we need a Qi deflector to deflect and channel the heaven Qi coming from universe towards our house. We also need a Qi reservoir to collect and store the Qi. If we do not store the Qi, then we cannot harness its power for our future purpose. As per the classical landform Feng Shui, this Qi deflector and Qi reservoir are auspicious structures external to our house. The Qi deflector is typically a mountain structure and the Qi reservoir can be a lake, pond or even a river. Now, how does it apply for period 8 and period 9? As the auspicious heaven Qi is coming from the northeast direction in period 8, it is very auspicious to have a mountain structure in the northeast direction. And it is also very auspicious to have a Qi reservoir, which is pond, lake or a river in the southwest direction. In period 9, as the auspicious heaven Qi is coming from south direction, it will be very auspicious to have a mountain structure in the south direction. And it will also be very auspicious to have a lake, pond or a river in the north direction with respect to the house. In summary, for auspicious landform Feng Shui in period 9, you need a mountain structure in the south side of your house and you need a pond, lake or a river in the north side of your house. Now what you need to do? come outside your house and observe the landforms around your house. You can also do this by using Google Earth. Can you spot any tall building or any tall structure or maybe even a tall fence in the south side of your house? If yes, then that's the mountain structure you need in period 9. Likewise, can you spot any busy road in the north side of your house? If yes, then that's the chi reservoir you need in period 9. If you have both the auspicious structures, then congratulations, you don't need any additional landform feng shui related cure in period 9. Your house is ready. However, if you are missing one of them, or if you are missing both of them, or if the structures are the wrong way around, then that is not auspicious. You need to apply cures. Now let us talk about the landform feng shui cures for period 9. If you don't have the mountain structure in the south side of your house, then you may plant tall trees in the south side, or you may display outdoor plants in terracotta planta at the south side of your house. Tall outdoor plants will act as a mountain structure and will help you deflect the auspicious heaven chi towards your house in period 9. Likewise, if you don't have a busy road in the north side of your house, then you may install an outdoor water feature in the north side. Running water features are excellent for feng shui activations and they are very effective as chi reservoirs. Last but not the least, once you have placed the auspicious structures in the north and south side of your house, then keep your windows open to receive the auspicious heaven chi. Hope you found the period 9 wealth activation technique using landform feng shui interesting and useful. How many of you have the auspicious structures in the north and south side of your house already in place? Please post your comments below. In my next video, I will tell you period 9 wealth activation techniques inside our house using flying stairs feng shui. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up for me. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Infinite Mind Feng Shui so that you don't miss out any exciting forecasts on period 9 and 2024. Stay blessed and I will see you in my next video.